Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here for my How to Kill a Kit with Style February wrap-up. Now, I had so much fun with working with this kit that I actually have 3 more layouts coming in March, 2 in March, 1 in April, from using this kit. So it's not, you're not going to see everything, but in total I'll have 6 layouts done with the kit, plus a Project Life and a Traveler's Notebook spread. So pretty happy about that. Let me grab my Traveler's Notebook spread as I'm thinking about that. And I'll show you what I have, and then I'll show you what I have left over. So I did this. My Project Life spread, I just put a couple cards. There's nothing really to see, but when I get to it, I'll share it with you. But so I have that. I used a couple of the ephemera pieces, and this was from the cut apart 12 by 12 paper there. And then this was the first layout I created, and this was showcasing clustering and all of that. So that's how I used the embellishments and just using a collection. So ABC Scrappy Challenge, the letter C, was collections, and that was me showing this. Photos of my little ones there. I created this one, and I still haven't decided if I'm going to do a flip book, let it be this photo, or let it be this photo. So they're both just there. And oh, this didn't stay glued. Uh-oh. The problem with mixed media is sometimes you need stronger glue. So I will go back and have a look at that. But there's this one. I really love this one. I created it for Spiegel Mom Scraps with the sequins as well. So that was really fun. And then this one is not, but I used the clouds, so I wanted to include it so you could see that I used the clouds. So loving that. Let me put these aside here. And I will show you what I have left of this kit and my plans for what to do with the rest of it. So I have a whole bunch of the strips from the, I did a layout with the 12 by 12 pattern paper that was pre-made with these to do a fun design to it. I've created that layout, but it's going to be used for one of my 30 days of sketches, so I'll save that. But I'm thinking about saving this and doing like a mini version in my Traveler's Notebook, so I'm going to just slide that over to Traveler's Notebook area. This too, I feel like you could use that as a backing or something, so I'm going to keep that into my paper. I made a few bags here. So here's one for Project Life and one for Traveler's Notebooks that I feel are themed for that, and so I'm just going to put those aside, and then I have a spot for each one of those to go into. So when I'm working in that particular album or Traveler's Notebook, I can just grab these and they're just easily accessible because I'm done with the kit. I don't need the kit to stay together. And then embellishment wise, I have paper-wise, I don't have like anything. This is what I have. That's it. So I did really good with the paper. I didn't have much to start with anyways, but I did well. A couple of these, I probably would use that. I'm not going to use that, so that will go away. And I'm just going to separate them into the section, to what they are. So like there's a title, there's some frames there, there's some animals, some pieces here. I probably will not use those. I might use them in Traveler's Notebook, so maybe I'll switch that to Traveler's Notebook. There's a frame and an arrow and a title and a bird. And this color throws me off. I have a hard time using that, so I actually think I'll put that in my giveaway pile. This one I will probably give away. I'm not going to use that. I'll give that away. The banners here, I'm not really an orange person, so I'll probably give that one away. So there. This one I might keep that frame. So that's what I have left over for embellishments. These birds are quite large. I'm really not sure how to use them. The butterfly, I definitely can use those. That's good. But that's all I have left. So I really feel like I did a great job with it. I will see if I can do a couple spreads, and like I said, Project Life for Traveler's Notebook, and then everything else will be donated because I really feel like I have killed this kit. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Like I said, the other layouts will be up in the next coming months, so I'm excited to share that with you as well. Thanks everyone. Bye.